Good day peeps, me again Denner. Today is June 9. Meeting kami ng Airsoft team namin, Team Scar, dito sa Pagsangan, Camp Hamog. And unfortunately, meron palang shooting ang MMK. So ayun, kaya maraming mga tao. Wala pa ako nakikita artista. Hanapin ko pa yung teammates ko. Dito ko pala si Pierre. So mag-ocular inspection kami. We're gonna do some ocular inspection ng site. Of course, with the approval of the principal of the school. So ito yung game site namin. Check out Camp Hamog game site. Check it out. Before, ngayon may building na, so I'm not sure if we're going to allow to be played in this area. Kung hindi na, ito yung school, the gym, at so, yun yung amphitheater. Diyan malimit yung meet up ng team. At dito yung common engagement, itong uphill area, which is very nakaka. So right now wala na yung radio station. And our jungle terrain is way up here, what we call Little Baguio. Yan, papanik yan. Very dense area. So medyo forestry. Good for jungle terrain battle. So may na-construct na rin palang mga... So ito, very common namin to, itong bamboo area. So dito ang strong engagement namin. And yung area sa taas, may road na. So hindi na namin ma-access yung big dome, water dome doon sa top ng hill, where you have a good picture of Pagsangan. So after the 6-month gun ban, I think mag-start na kami mag-play sometime next week. So ito na yung start ng vlog ko about Airsoft naman. Airsoft vlogs ko magsimula na ulit. Hindi ko makita yung mga guys. So miss shooting, di ko alam, baka nakikisyoso sila or na-extra sila. Tingnan natin. So yan yung gym area, yung usual engagement namin, yung Minara 3 there. And notice nyo may mga tents kasi may shooting nga, so hindi ko pa nakikita yung guys. So ito, maganda ring area to go back. Diyan din kami nagsushooting. Shooting ng baril, hindi shooting ng pelikula. So may pakita ko yung aerial shoot ko ng drone ko nitong air ng game site namin, Camp Hamog, which is the Francisco Benitez Elementary School. So ito yung isang area sa likod. Let me check. So open na pala tong area, dati kasi sarado yan. So ngayon ko lang nakita na open na siya. Open na yung road niya. So dito yung mga teammates namin, dito na ako ma-access ko sila. Common area namin for shooting, yung mga game scenarios natin. Francisco Benitez School. So mukhang may shooting nga dito, ABS. Dalawa na tayo. Okay, that's the our game site, marami ng mga pagbabago, many changes. Of course, meron din kaming ilalatag ng bagong bylaw si President Jumar. But aside from that, as any other club or organization, kailangan mo talaga ng strict bylaws. So yun, I just learned so many things today na nalipasan. Kasi after 5 months of non-gaming, marami akong din nakaligtan sa grupo, very inactive. Well, yun nga kasi gunban. So now, malapit na mag-start ang game, new bylaws, implementin na natin kung ano yung mga new rules nila. And well, entrust ko na yung group. I've been playing since 2008 pa, 2006. Well, solid team talaga yung stick ko sa SCAR. Talagang yan pa rin yung team namin up to now. Di na nagbabago yun. So, still na sa amin yun. Hopefully, si Dex makalaro na rin, twin brother ko, para mas masaya yung gaming experience ko na Airsoft. So, watch out. Maybe in a few months, start na rin ang Airsoft game namin. See ya. That ends the vlog. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace!